What's happening, my people? What it do? So it's Monday. We know it just not released. We know it just not hit in the sneaker world. And people have been doing these reviews because they dropped them early and stuff. Everybody had these. You seen these on feet, everything, but you ain't seen mine. So, with no further ado, what is this? It's in the description. It's in the title. You know what it is. But your boy got a pair. So was I planning on getting these? I was trying to get the Reebok Question Yellow Toes. Reebok is dragging their feet, not dropping them. So I had an opportunity to get these. I tried to hit on sneakers and stuff, took L's. My homegirl, shout out to you, Ron Sutter. But hopefully I ain't butchered your name. But say she hit on a few pairs, and you be like, I get you for retail. I was like, no. Yeah, I was like, damn, I couldn't pass it up. So let's show you the information. Had to go down a little bit. Like, I don't mind pushing it every now and then. 8.5. So I can do it if I have to, but I try to stick with the 9.5. But see this paper and stuff. Got that cement looking paper. Then got that white paper underneath. This is my first time looking at them. Wanted y'all to see the first reaction and stuff. And are these necessary? A must-have in the collection? Not necessarily. I've never been like a super big fan of 4s and stuff, but the more I've on my sneaker journey and everything, and then you watch all these videos and you see people, oh, I needed these, oh, these are so great, and then eventually you be like, yeah, that's OGs. Yeah, Jordan was balling on people in these. I think I need them too. So it came to a point where it was kind of like, I need these too. So check them out in all their glory. Jordan 4s. And I was supposed to have in the early pair of these, but from one of them plugs or whatever, but customs took them, so I was not able to have that. But got this retail pair, and this right here is not necessarily like it's not a bad thing to have, man. It is for this OG with the Nike Air on the back. I think this has been 31 years since this particular one has dropped. Like, they have dropped other ones with Jordan sign in the back and whatever. But as far as the Nike Air, it has been a long time. So these might be cheap right now. I do plan on wearing these, but I'm not hard on my shoes, so they're gonna stay in good shape. These will skyrocket eventually. Eventually, the price on these will go up. So it's not a bad investment. This is prime real estate right here. Check it out. See the air sail. The air sail got that white in the inside. And with the foo-foos had that red. If you got red right here, you know you've been taken. But got that black right here, that rubber. I think this cracks over time with wearing them and stuff, because I think it's painted right over the foam. I watched a lot of reviews on these. The leather quality, that's something I was scared about. As far as like the shock drops and stuff, they were unloading their bad pairs and the quality wasn't consistent. So looking at these and stuff, the quality is, I don't see anything necessarily like bad. Like I seen other people pairs, man, like with the early drops, some people had some bad shit. But an all white upper, flat, pretty much a flat leather, is no tumbleness or anything to it. those red eyelets, these red eyelets and stuff up here, that's dope for us. I'm trying to think. I think this is my only pair of, no, I had them, I finally got a pair for the other day. I got them guava ices, them guava ice joints, but they were sent from up but got them guava, so that's my other pair of fours. But this right here got that netting and stuff. That's all through the tongue or whatever. Got them white laces. Just keep these white laces. Not gonna try to swap them out or anything like Jay the Sneaker Guy and put no yellow or red or anything. These are cool. Maybe some black ones would look alright or whatever. But I'm cool with the white laces. These right here, I think this might have been a better, like maybe a summer release or something. You could see these with like shorts on or something, or it's just like wintertime is bad on shoes. Like if you in a place like Denver or something with snow or whatever, you would think something like snow not bad, man. But I was in snow like maybe once or twice in my lifetime. Man, I had a pair of Chuck Taylors and I stepped in some snow and they were ruined automatically. So an all white shoe like this, now being an OG, this is good like for Christmas time or whatever, like just as a collector. Some OGs in the game might be a gift to themselves or whatever. It's just something great to have for the holidays. But as far as wearing, I don't know if people want to be rocking these in the wintertime, but these are something good to hold, keeping your stash for a good little bit. Yeah, I'm just talking. Man, you seen everything on here. Got that Flight on the tag, the Air Jordan upside down in the back. That tag on the side, I'm keeping that. I'm not, even if I wear them or something, I'm gonna keep that on there. I'm not taking that off. Bottom, like, how was Jordan busting brothers up so bad in these? Like, these things are so flat. Like, I couldn't see myself hooping in these other ones or anything. Like, I need some arch in my shoe. So being so flat, like, it would be hard. And the thing about these is, like, these flat ones and stuff, these old Jordans, these actually do have good grip. These actually do have good grip, but my foot would be hurting. My foot would be hurting if I try to hoop in these. That Nike Air, I'm pretty sure I showed that already, but that Nike Air in the back and whatever, man. So the way I'm gonna do this video, like while I'm editing, I'm gonna just show the on foots and stuff like during the video. Do I need to say that? Like, no. But I'm happy I was able to bring you just, you can see that, oh, Chance got these too. Not necessarily like you needed to watch this video, but if you're a fan of my channel and you just be like, oh, he got those as well. That's all I wanted to do with this. But can they be a thumbnail? Got these too. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. Much love to all y'all, man. Shit, for the holidays, happy holidays and stuff. Got plans today. Gotta go run around and etc. Gonna look for something. But yeah, let me wrap this up. Man. Peace to y'all, Rosetta. Appreciate you, Queen. Peace.